lane. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to n8n. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Connecting Gmail to n8n can open up a world of automation possibilities, making it easier to handle emails and streamline your workflows. So let's dive right in. First, we need to create a Google Cloud project and enable the Gmail API. Open your browser and navigate to console.cloud.google.com. At the top, you'll see a project selector drop-down. Click on that, then select New Project. Give your project a name, something like n8n-gmail, and click Create. Once your project is created, make sure it's active in the selector. Next, use the top search bar to type in Gmail API. Click on it, and then hit Enable. This will turn on the Gmail API for your project, allowing us to use its features. Now let's move on to configuring the OAuth consent screen. On the left side menu under APIs and Services, you'll see an option for OAuth consent screen. Click on that. Here you should choose the external option unless you're using a Google Workspace account and wish to restrict its use to your organization. If that's the case, you'd select Internal. After that, click Create. Now comes the part where you fill out the mandatory app details. For the app name, you can give it a title like n8n Integration. For the user support email, select your own email address. In the Authorized Domains section, enter the domain where your n8n instance runs. For example, if your n8n is hosted at demo.n8n.com, you'll input n8n.com. Finally, enter your email address again in the developer contact email. Once you've filled everything out, click Save and Continue. Moving on to the next step, we need to set the scopes and test users. On the Scopes page, hit Add or Remove Scopes. Scroll through this list until you find the Gmail API permissions. It's essential to enable only the permissions you actually need. Maybe gmail.send if you want to send emails, or gmail.read-only if you just want to view them. Once you've made your selections, click Update followed by Save and Continue. On the Test Users screen, click Add Users and enter your personal Gmail address. This is necessary because it lets you log in while your app is still in testing mode. After adding your email, click Save and Continue to head back to the dashboard. Now let's generate the client credentials and link them to n8n. Click on Credentials in the left menu and select Create Credentials at the top. Choose OAuth Client ID and then set the application type to Web Application. Give it a name that makes sense to you. Next, scroll down to find the authorized redirect URIs. Now switch to your n8n instance. Open your n8n canvas, add a Gmail node, select OAuth 2 credentials, and then click Create New Credential. You're going to see a unique OAuth redirect URL. Copy that. Now head back to Google Cloud. Click Add URI, paste the URL you copied into the field, and then click Create. A window will pop up displaying your client ID and client secret. Make sure to copy these individually and paste them back into their respective fields in your n8n credential window, and then click Save. Finally, we need to authorize and test everything. In n8n, click Sign In with Google. Select the test email account you just configured. You might see an unverified app warning. To get past it, you can click on Advanced and then go to. Check the permissions boxes and click Continue. To make sure everything is working, set up your n8n Gmail node to send a test email. Just click on Test Step or Test Setup and check your inbox to confirm you received the message. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Gmail to n8n.